Hey guys, September here, and welcome back to my channel. And today for this video, I'm gonna be doing a Model 1s haul, and so we're just gonna get right on into it. I've already been through this bag. I was missing one thing, but like I'm okay with it because it was coming free because my order was over $30. So like I was perfectly fine with like missing it, but I would have liked it. But I did purchase a nail drill, which should be here soon, and the next couple of videos you'll see about nails. I won't use the drill because it won't be here, but then after that, all my other videos I'll be using the drill for its duration. But sorry if the energy isn't there. I just had a long day. I'm gonna have a long night because I was supposed to film 3 videos today, but then I took too long to get out of bed. Then I had to go and do someone's hair. And like I wasn't gonna pass the chance to make a few extra bucks, so I went and did someone's hair. I just got back like 20 minutes ago, so I'm like trying to preserve my energy. Anyway, the first thing I got was this nail dehydrate nail and primer. I didn't know it came in like a kit because it was just the dehydrated, and I was like, ooh, I see some people use this, so why not get some? It says essential for bond and gel polish and acrylic powder, and in it comes a nail dehydrator, nail dehydrator. Oh, I hate that noise. And it comes with a nail primer. Next thing I got were, on the site it said, you know, like acrylic nails. It's all acrylic. It said like clear stiletto nails. I didn't know there were going to be nail tips because it didn't say. But I just got a pack. It's got all different kinds of numbers in here. Next thing I got is their upgraded formula base and top coat, and I think these are really cute. This is what they look like. I think this is really cute. Very, very. They've got their own type of aesthetic, which I'm not mad with. Next thing I got revolving in like base and top coat is this matte top coat. I needed a matte top coat. Luckily they had one, and the bottle is like so cute. All of this is gel, so you need like a UV LED lamp to cure, but it is, I just realized how they spell matte. But anyway, can't wait to use this. I haven't used any of this stuff yet. I've been prepping my nails for this day. Next thing I got was this super platinum nail gel, and I think this is really pretty and sparkly. You see that? That's so cute. Next, I'm gonna do little polishes. I didn't know these polishes were so tiny, but I think they were like $2 or $3 a piece. I got this color changing one, which is like a red, but what do you call it? It cures white. And then this one, which I think might be the red one, pink one. I got a pink gel polish. I thought this was cute, and like I don't have any gel nail polish, it's just a whole bunch of poly gel, so I definitely made sure to get this. Next are these 2 gel polishes. These are just plain gel polishes. The bottles look the same to me, but they have numbers on the back. It doesn't say what color it is, but this one is blue, but it's kind of funny, but I fixed it. But it's this pretty blue. That's really pretty. I can't wait to use that. I'll probably use that in the set I'm about to do after this video. I'll probably just do that. Probably do like some poly gel and paint over top of it. This next one is the yellow, and this color is to die for. The next gel polishes I have are glow-in-the-dark polishes. The next three, they are glow-in-the-dark polishes, and two of them look fairly the same, and you'll see two of them look fairly the same, but this one is like a light blue glow-in-the-dark. This one, I don't know. They're from Azure Beauty, and I have a base and top coat from them, which, wow, a lot of ones. You're like doing a thing here, but this is from Azure Beauty, and this one is a clear one, but it's a green color in the dark. And this one, I think, is the other blue one and is not as deep. Okay, this one is the lighter blue and the other one was the deeper blue, but it's a glow-in-the-dark blue. One's just deeper than the other. I think one might be like a whiter than the other. I don't know. Next, this is a product I did not pay for because I didn't want this. I didn't pay for this. I got everything that I was supposed to get except for my like free thing that came with it, but instead I was given this BNC Manicure Vitamin Super Nail Hardener. It says it's a nail hardener, but it's like an oil, cuticle oil, and this looks nice. Can't wait to give this a try. I don't remember seeing anyone use that. But last but not least are my 3 poly gels I got. If I knew I was gonna be running out of clear poly gel, I would have went and purchased a clear poly gel from a cart, but I didn't know, and that would have been a part of this video. But again, I didn't know that I'd go through the clear so fast because I freaking love the clear, but I didn't know I'd go through it so quick. So the first acrylic gel I got from them is this nude, and this is how it looks. Oh, come on, dude. That's how it looks. The next one I got is their bright white, which is bright. But here's how this one looks. Very bright white. Very, very, very bright white. And the next one I got is a mint blue glow in the dark, which is kind of like one of the gel polishes that I have. And this one is also like a whitey, opaque color. It's like a whitey, opaque color. It's like a milky white, but like a milky, cleary white. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm sorry if the energy wasn't as immaculate as you wanted it, but I don't think any of the videos that I'm going to record today are going to be immaculate, but I do want to get back onto my YouTube's grind because I do in college and I have so much things. I have so many things that I want to put out, and so I've been planning a whole bunch of videos, and in order to put them out, I have to record them. So here I am. Comment down below some videos you want to see. Stay tuned for my next video, and peace out, baby.